Hi, my name is Christopher Terry, CEO of iMarkets Live, and I want to welcome you to a PowerPoint presentation of our company. We're going to review the products, we're going to review the services, and hopefully what we review here today will absolutely change your life as it has for the tens of thousands of people around the globe. When people ask me, Chris, what is your why? And I have to be honest with you, this is my why. My why is the faces in these pictures, the thousands and thousands of people around the globe who have gotten together and helped share our business with others. People in the picture whose life may have been different, where they were trading their time for somebody else's money, or maybe they never had a shot, or maybe they didn't have a good education, or maybe when they went to the military and when they get out, they don't know what to do. With iMarkets Live, you see the faces in this picture, and the tens of thousands of people around the globe now have an opportunity to be financially independent, to help other people. You have everybody from black, white, Asian, female, you name it, they are here, young, older, from the military, from all walks of life. That is the why for iMarkets Live. That's my why, being CEO of the company, is knowing that every night when I go to sleep, there are people around the globe also going to sleep, and they got a hope and a dream, and they got the ability to reach at because we're together as one phenomenal team. Our corporate credentials are we started in December 2012. We actually did a pre launch until July 4th, 2013. And we have organically grown over this last several years. And excited to say we have permission to do business in over 120 countries. Right now, we're just kicking over 100. We're debt free. We have a very strong bank account. We're very profitable. We have money that's been with us for many, 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 many years. So we don't take investments from anybody whatsoever. We are self-funded. So what keeps us legal is we do not accept any investments. We do not earn any trading commissions. We do not get a performance fee. So if you work and you make $1,000 in iMarkets Live, that's your $1,000. You have the ability to turn our services off at any one time, and we do not give personal financial advice. We stay legal and compliant 100%. So our team has literally over 100 years of experience, but really it's probably more like 250 years of experience. I am the master trader. I have other people behind me. We have cutting edge robotic software, and we have a write your own check compensation plan. And most important for our company is that customer service, that personal touch, that when you deal with our company, you know that we really care, because we do really care, and we want to make sure everybody is very happy. This is me in the picture. I'm not one to promote myself, but I understand that you have to have some credibility to run a company. I've been in many books, magazines. I'm featured in all the major events that are out there. I'm invited to major events to speak, private groups, public groups, corporate business companies. I have traded both personal and also my own accounts over $50 million. Been on Bloomberg, the CNBCs, all of that. We've been on everything. But just want to give you a little bit more of the credibility. I've been able to fortunately help people around the globe. That's really my claim to fame. But let's continue. The industries we are in is forex and network marketing. Two of these industries are phenomenal. Both of them you're able to leverage your money and time. Both of them you're able to have financial independence. And when I looked at both of them and I put them both together, and we were the first ones to come out and say, you know what, we have two different products. We have a product forex, we have futures, we have all these products and services, plus the ability to put together a phenomenal compensation plan. When we married these two markets together, beautiful things happened. It didn't blow up right away. We didn't hype it. It grew organically, and now we are just exploding around the globe. People understand financial independence comes from, number one, leveraging your time and money, and that's basically it. Time and money leverage. You have to ask yourself what the bank is actually doing for you. You look in Canada, making a half of 1%. The United States, maybe about 1%. Anywhere all over the world, the interest on bank money is really, really low. And that was something that really bothered me. I figured I can find a way and help others earn more money. You know, put $10,000 in the bank and to get $100 back at the end of the year isn't exciting. I'd rather like to put my $100 in the bank and earn 50, 60, 100% on the money through my own efforts or through the efforts of services that we provide, our own products. So that's the reality out there. It's very low interest rates, and that's what inspires us to do other things. Right here, they say documentation beats conversation. The middle chart, which is not, we don't put it out there anymore, but this was actually my own work. On a 2% risk ratio, what that means that for every $1,000 in cash, only risk 20 bucks. And over the period of 12 months, of 2014 to 2015, it gained over 60%. Now, I know it's hard to see here because it's just an example, but I can make it bigger and bigger and bigger so you could see it to make you feel better. As you can see, we had wins and losses, but over the period of a year, we did around 4,600 pips. Now, you can tell that's a very low risk that I took. Now, if you think about it, 4,600 pips in a 12-month period. If you're using just the standard lot on a $10,000 account, that's like $46,000. So I tried to keep it down, down, down it as much as possible, so not to look over exciting. I kept the risk extremely low, but still we performed at a 4,600 pip ratio, which means our trade signal services are really extremely high performance products, and you'll get to see them from actually our master, one of our traders that's been absolutely performing extremely well. We'll get to that in a minute. Right here, documentation beats conversation, and we're going to look at actually a live picture of this in a minute. And this is from FX Signals Live. This trader that we have over the period of a year, he risks more than I do, but he's earned in the past 9 months 180%. And I'll show you actually a live site in a minute. And we're going to go through the platinum packages and everything that we have to offer. Now, here's our FX Signals Live. There's no experience needed. It's very simple to install software. Matter of fact, it's just a download. It's very, very, not even a download, a login. You leverage it out 24 hours a day. You can log in once a day, once a minute, once every week. That's up to you. It automatically mirrors our experts' trades at 100% hands-free. We leverage over 25 years of experience of successful traders. Our Forex Signal service works with all the top pairs. Our clients can be located anywhere in the world. And my own, as I showed you, our return on investment was 60% in the past 12 months. We have the other site that just came out, which is FX Signals Live, and I'll show you the performance on that. We have tens of thousands of members around the globe that are on our service, and you don't need any knowledge to participate in this. Real quick, I just want to show you our site, FX Signals Live. You can click here on the trader under the Traders tab, and you could see a performance right here. It gives you every single trade that we've done. There's no sleight of hand. There's no hiding anything. You can actually click here. You can see all the trades that we've done, on and on and on. And everything's right here available to you. A little bit every week, a little bit every day, almost every day. You can see how the money can grow. It's better than, for me, it's better to do this than putting money in the bank. I like to put my money to work. Some people may not like that, but this is one of our services. It's 100% hands-free. You need to do nothing after setting it up. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go to the next page. Our harmonic trading course and scanner. I'm actually going to show you what it looks like. This is our actual product right here on the screen. This is on an FXCM demo account. We have it on different live accounts. But essentially, it puts the available patterns. It gives you the patterns, the risks, the targets, the amount of money you have, the risk profile, and where to enter and exit. And it's very simple. Click of the button. literally the most easiest software in the industry to use. And we are working together with the authority on harmonics, and he basically had said this is an extremely impressive platform. And our platform has is so amazing. There is tons of people making money with us around the globe. Last I looked, we had about 32,000 users using this particular software. Extremely exciting. You could just click the button, and it just literally high percentage win. Very exciting. It's gone viral, and I hope it continues to do that. Lives are changing around the world from this one product alone is absolutely ridiculous. Let me get back to the PowerPoint. So we have a live trading room, and what happens is you look over my shoulders, and I'm gonna show you a couple things here. You look over my shoulders. Now these are snapshots of the live room, and we trade live. Now this right here is around the futures market. We do the forex market and the futures market, and I got some shots from the futures market. Can you imagine just sitting in a live environment, looking at our screen, and we are showing you when to buy, when to sell? All you have to do is follow what we're doing. So if we're saying buy, you buy. If we say sell, you sell. You're literally mirroring everything we're doing. We're not touching your money. You're doing it on your own. You're learning and earning at the same exact time. If you take a look here, you got some pictures, and over people are posting their results. And this is just live posts, me saying, hey, can you just tell me how you're doing? How is everybody doing today? What's going on? Show us what you're doing. $326 for Mark or Ethan. Just an exciting time each and every day for our live service that people can log in and profit with us. Yes, you there is risk in the markets, obviously, but we make it a fun environment. We run this from 8 a.m. Eastern to 12 p.m. Eastern every single Monday through Friday. And we do the London session. We just launched the London session from 2 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern, Monday morning through Friday morning. So we have 5 days of absolute education. Literally, if we look at it, and plus we do 2 hours on a Sunday. We got 32 hours of live education, and we do live trading. People are absolutely excited about our services. Like I said, we have a learn and earn environment. You can come in and learn from our work, our efforts, and you just come in. It's a great environment. Everybody's making money with us, or hoping that they make money with us. And as we see here, this used to be $195. Sorry about that. It used to be $495. If we look at our products, the scanner, you're looking at, if I was to put this in the retail side only, the live trading room is a room where we charged $300 to $500, and this is for 18 years. That's per month. You know, people making a lot of money with us, we charge a lot. You have the harmonic scanner where people are just absolutely lives are changing, and that's looking at roughly around 200 to 300 a month alone. Our mirror service, another few hundred. So we have literally $1,000 a month worth of products that we put out for 500. And what I did was I'm doing a limited time offer for $195. All of our products for $195, including 32 hours of education. There is no other company in the industry, in the history of the industry, that puts out the type of work we do. I know this because I've been doing this since 1998. I've been online educating since 1998. I've been one of the first ones in the industry to do this, originally with my former business partner and mentor, and now for the past couple of years on my own with our team. So for $195, and then to start in $145 a month, you have everything you could think of, all the education possible, plus all the hands-free and software. We're going to go into the 9 different ways to make money. There's 9 different ways to make money in our compensation plan. I'm going to go through them real quick. You have the first order bonus, your perfect storm bonus, a team builder bonus, rank achievement, chairman's club, trading pool bonus that no other company's ever thought of, a team residual, and 100% check match. Having a little bit of water here while I'm doing this exciting webinar here. We have IBO ranks in our company. At the platinum director level, I have to make this a little bit smaller, right? Actually, I'll just keep it a little tad bigger. Here we go. Anyway, at the platinum director level is where everybody starts, that $145 a month. Now we do charge in it if you want to be an IBO, it's an extra $5 a month, so it's $200 to start and $150 a month. And we believe in rewarding success. At the platinum director, you're paying your $150 a month. When you helped people become financially independent, actually when you help people get signed up to use our retail services and then they become an IBO, you then get them on their way to financial independence. You help a few of them get started and you start earning the ranks. So I'm going to go through that right now. All right. As you help people get started, when they sign up as an IBO, they want to pay $195 plus if they want a $5 affiliate fee to become an IBO. You earn $35 for each person that signs up in the company. Now, what's exciting is we have what's called the perfect storm bonus. When you sign up a person into the company, it's $35 profit for you. You earn that commission. When you help 3 people do that in 7 days, you get an additional $35, which means you've earned $145 total. Let's think about that. You've paid $200, and in 7 days you have nearly all your money back. Not bad, right? To get your business started. What's exciting about it is once you've helped 3 people get started, now this can be the same day, the same week, the same month, or you could take 3 months. The moment you have the third person in your business, and again, if it happens in 14 days, you have the perfect storm, as I said here, 14 days. When you have that third person signed up, what happens, we have 2 levels that open up below you. So if you have, you bring in Joe, who brings in his 3 friends, you earn $10 a person. If one of those bring in his few friends, meaning they sign up for the retail side, then become an IBO, you earn $10 a level for the next couple of levels. When you reach a level in our company where it's the Platinum 1000, which means you're earning $1,000 a month, you have around 50 people on your team, it opens up all the next levels between 4 through 9. So if you think about it, you got 200, 300, 400 people a month coming into your business at some point. The money adds up. There's over 9,800 spots in an 8-level matrix. So if you really think about it, you have nearly 9,800 spots of opportunity you can fill up. So that's a lot of $10 checks in my eyes. Now, what's really exciting, we have the rank achievement bonus, or what people call the residual, which means that when you bring 3 people in the business, each who are paying that $150, you earn $150 per month. But we pay it out on a weekly basis, $37.50. As you grow your business, you'll have around 12 people in your business. Now, we do it based on volume. We have one organization has to take around 40% of your whole organization, all your volume, and the rest can be spread out. There's no particular order. But by doing that, you have a team of 12. You're earning $150 a week or $600 a month. That's the Platinum 600. Platinum 600. At that Platinum 1000, like we spoke about before, where you open up all those other levels for your team builder bonus, you have around 50 people on your team. You're earning $1,000 a month, which is around $250 per week. And then we have the Platinum 2000, which you're getting $2,000 a month, or $500 a week. And you have the Platinum 4000. You have about 250 people on your team, and those are rough numbers. It's all done on volume base, and as I said, 40% of the volume can come from one organization, one leg of your team. The rest can be spread out as you choose. but you'll be earning $4,000 a month or $1,000 a week. What really gets exciting, everybody, is when you open up these three, when you sponsor three and you have three active, it opens up all your bonuses. Now, the next bonuses we're going to talk about are twofold. This is where we combine two bonuses that those two bonuses. One is the Chairman's Club bonus, and the other one is a trading pool bonus. The Chairman's Club bonus, as you understand, when you come in, you're bring 500 people. You build a team of 500, and as you do that, you get 8,000 a month and 750, and so on. Please understand what wins. The moment you qualify by bringing in three people into your business, immediately you're getting paid that very next week. So we pay weekly every single week when you qualify. It's really exciting. As you build your business to 1,000 and 2 and 3,000, eventually 5,000 people, you'll be earning $100,000 a month. So you potentially have $1 million income just on this one bonus. What's really exciting, folks, is this bonus right here, the trading pool bonus. No other company can provide this because we are really the only company trading out there, actually physically trading, and we're trading our own money. So think about this. You hit the $8,000 a month level at 500 people. We take $12,000 and we match it. We match 50% for 3 months in a row, or $12,000. And as you grow your business, we continue to match. So at some point, you may have 1,000 people on your team, and you'll have a total of $66,000 in an account. Let's just have a little fun here for a second. Let's do a simulation. If we take $66,000 based on what we've done in the past, you have a six-figure return in around 9 months. Now, these are actual trades, but we're doing a simulation on it. I want you to understand something, that this particular bonus is our money. It's iMarkets Live's money. We're not taking your investment. We're not increasing prices. We're not manipulating the plan. You reach those levels, we're taking our money and we're putting it into an account and we trade it. We become partners because you take 70% of the profits. Let's go back here. For example, let's just take that 12,000, make it easy for you. So 500 people, as soon as you hit that, and based on what we've done in the past on our what they call an auto trader or our trade copier, that's already created in a 9 month period of around $21,000. So if you think about it, your money goes to work. It's not your money, it's iMarkets Live's money, but we put it to work for you. Imagine getting 70% of that, or make the math even a little bit more fun, 70% of six figures. See, I'm not guaranteeing you anything, but I am telling you one thing. I'm investing my money, our money, putting it on the hook. We're so confident we're that good that we will create additional stream of income. If you think about it, potentially this is a whole nother huge multiple six, even seven-figure income at some point. Take that trading pool bonus seriously. You're not taking a dime out of your pocket. We're investing all the money. I cannot stress how exciting that one profit pool is. We have what's called a team residual bonus. When you build your business, it builds on a matrix, 3 levels, 3 people on each level by 8 levels deep. The volume, the customer volume, is basically $95, which turns out to be $3.80. If we take 4% of that, there's 9,800 spots to fill up. So you take 9,800 times $3.80. You do the math on how much money that is, because legally I cannot tell you the total. So you do the math. But this fills up left to right, level to level. It's a level to level, person to person matrix. You also can place your new IBOs on the unilevel, or you could place them on the matrix. Or within the first 72 hours, you email in and you give the exacts. I'd like to move Joe, IBO number 12345, under Bill, IBO number 12345. We're giving a 72-hour waiting room essentially, but you email in. Ask the person who referred you or your upline about that. And that's actually in effect right now. check match bonus. All right, when I look at the 100% check match bonus, that really gets me excited. The fact is, you could personally sponsor one person at the top and you earn on his matrix. So let's take a look about this. Let's take a look at this. You have 9,800 spots in your matrix. You earn $3.88 per person in your matrix. You earn additional $33.80 per person within your personal. So for instance, you sponsor Joe and Joe builds his matrix. You earn an additional $3.80 per person within their matrix. That's exciting because you can sponsor 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 or even outside of the matrix, and you can earn additional residuals. For instance, let's just say you have Bill and he falls below your 8th level. Look at this. Another 8 levels of opportunity. $3.80 upon a new 9,800 spots. So if you really think about it, you sponsor 10 people and each matrix has 9,800 spots. That's nearly 98,000 spots of opportunity for you to earn matrix and match checks. This is a most amazing bonus. I absolutely love it. And the last bonus we have here is the infinity bonus, up to 3% of your entire organization. And then it cuts down as you have people that hit your equal rank or higher, equal rank, I'm sorry. And it cuts down again. It never actually shuts off. This bonus right here, if you think about it, just on the 200,000 of commissionable volume, that's a $6,000 residual to start. When you have a million, that's another 30,000 a month. It's absolutely non-stop, entire organization globally. And last but not least, we go over it one more time. If you want to become an IBO, it's a limited time offer right now, so I would take advantage of it. It's $195 plus a $5 fee, so it's $200 to start, $150 a month. You get a replicated website. You have a Paylocian e-wallet. You have all the platinum packages, all the compensation plan, all the different bonuses as part of iMarkets Live. I suggest if you're excited about this, get to the person who referred you. This compensation plan, we're targeting middle of January. And once we do release it, we're going to release a new PowerPoint presentation.